All right, let's start this session. What's going on, everyone? Hope you're all doing good. Actually, this is supposed to be red. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna let more people join a little bit. And also, I got to invite Elvin for today. Okay, so yesterday we talked about US30, and well, as a result, I got to stop out using this candle down here. How to show it? So this was basically it. Yeah, so this was basically the candle that stopped me out. My stop loss was a little bit higher around here, and I got it stopped out. I think it was here that I got to stop out. Yeah. And then after that, price play around there for about, let's see, for about 5 hours. Yeah, for about 5 hours, price stayed below that zone and continued to trap sellers there. And you can see then beautifully went up, didn't reach the high, and then after consolidation, now you can see it's coming back down. Now, one of the reason that it's coming back down is basically because in macro, as you remember, we talked about it yesterday, that how macro is actually bearish, right? And this was just an induction, although I don't trade induction, but I tried yesterday, and it came to the 1 hour DMA, consolidated there, gave us 3 bearish engulfing before it dropped actually pre-London. And now you can see that it's still going down. And in my opinion, it's gonna go down heavy. Today it's gonna be bearish. Hopefully we can, because we have a news in about 1 hour. So hopefully we can, find an opportunity to enter. All right, we got Alvin in the house too.
Yo, sorry, some technical difficulties with the cam, but I'm here, bro.
All right, how you doing, bro? No worry.
Good, good.
I just grab a
How we
little
doing?
water. Good. Man, I was thirsty.
I'm glad I made it.
Yeah, bro, I'm glad.
Still adjusting to our new schedule. So, I'm on West Coast.
I am trying so hard for the last couple of days to get some better. All right, you're there now. Yeah, I've been trying so hard for last 2 days to try and get OBS to works with Zoom or another platform. It called XSplit, but doesn't work on Mac. Trying to get rid of that.
You tried Ecamm?
Not yet.
Okay, we'll check that. Yeah. What's up, everyone? How we doing on the live stream? Y'all in the chat?
Yeah, we got roadblock and motivation is key. These guys were here yesterday too. Shout out to you too. Yeah, I took a loss yesterday on US30. But I was right. Price just decided to be a douchebag and stop me out before it goes to the 1 hour DMA. And as our overall bias in basically macro 1 hour, 4 hour, all of them was bearish. So we are seeing that bearish going on right now. This was actually my stop
last week live too. We didn't have an entry, remember?
Yeah, So sad. Also, let's take a look at gold. This thing is just going down, and yeah, I'm kind of can't do anything about it because it does not giving me any kind of entry. It just keeps dropping and dropping. I've been looking at it, but no chance. Well, technically, you can see it on 15 minutes right now that I did have nice retest and stuff, but without a stop hunt, I don't enter. So, but you do enter, right?
Me?
If it wasn't no stop hunts, would you take it or no?
Yeah. There's no stop hunt.
Yeah, I know. No, I don't take it. Something else. Let me bring up these two. Something else I wanted to show you guys. It's USD Trade. This is a one we called last week on our live trading session, starting from today is Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Yeah, that's where we actually call it. This was a trade that I took. I took it around here. My stop loss was 10 pips. Well, doesn't look very good on 1 hour, but going to lower time frame, you see that it was actually above DMA, and I was based on my rules and everything. I had the trade for 2-3 days. I took it at Tuesday, and then I closed it at Thursday in here, actually end of Thursday. So I had it until here, and then I decided to close it because the way it was working, well, the main reason was that they were working. Well, they created this zone, broke it, and then it stayed below there. So I thought that they were trapping sellers, and they're gonna induce it coming back and take me out on break even. So I decided to close. I got a 1-8, 1-7, I think, due to the closing partial on this. But yeah, man, I should have hold this thing. And as of right now, I would be 1-14. And I haven't had any chance to, get another entry this week, which is all good. And it is approaching with a little bit more drop. It will be right to the take profit level. And I wanted to show you this because it is interesting. Okay. It doesn't provide you cash today, but it's good for future coffees, So this is basically a weekly structure, as we always talk about, in a macro level, right? And you see, it's very easy to see, very easy to understand it. But what is more important to understand is the fractal nature of it and how I used to get my entry. Meaning, I know and I'm aware that they're going to be smaller version of these pump and dump in lower time frame, which allows me to which allows me to basically look for my entry. If I see a macro trap for the buyers, after that, I'm looking for micro buyers trap, and then I'm going to, get into the trade against direction of the trap. So right here, this is the macro trap on this M formation. You can draw it however you want. Doesn't really matter.
That looks good.
What I have is actually yearly moving average. So price respected the yearly moving average, broke it, consolidated there. Yeah, you actually can draw the zone here too. And you see now it makes more sense. Consolidation there, attempt to break the high one last time and then just shift against it. And our take profit for the analysis is here. Well, and it was shared to our channel, so I'm about to update it soon. And then after that, it would be this one. All right.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So let me check the chats real quick. Someone says, am I wrong to see more sells on gold? No, you're not, to be honest, because momentum is pretty down. You definitely have possible zones or areas that need to be met and get trapped. So I wouldn't be surprised that it just dropped. Just like I remember, I know it's a little bit far. I wasn't seeing it coming, to be honest. But you can see this. Actually, we had this analysis in a live session. I think I can go find a recording about it. So this is basically a very macro range that was created by gold, trapped sellers, then pushed to stop them out, also trap buyers up here. I mentioned it on our live yesterday, guys, too, that how price usually tends to whipsaw first anytime they create some sort of range. So they get rid of both of the sides. Here, kind of same thing happened. And then after trapping buyers, look how bearish they got. So the possible target, Brandon is not here, but I'm going to repeat what exactly he taught me. When
I was
price
gonna
is
repeat
in,
a Brandon.
go, you
Go
go,
ahead. You first. No, you first. You first.
When price is in momentum, wicks get filled. So you can
Okay, mine
definitely.
was, what about this tells you to buy? What about this tells you to buy?
Yeah.
So think the other way.
That's true. Nothing about this tells me to buy. Yeah, that's Brandon. But for sure, we can have finally can see gold going down to 1680, possibly. Last time it was a 1300 pips drop to there and coming right back up. So far, we had about 650, and I think we're gonna have another 650. Well, I'm really wishing that it doesn't go like that because it needs some entry. Those two EMA you have is how much? Well, it's basically 48.96 on 15 minutes. You can put it there, and it would work properly for you on that time frame. But what I do have is basically DMA. Yeah. So in order to have the DMA, you basically kind of need to be my students. You will have access to courses and indicators and
It's in the
everything.
description, right?
I don't think so. I haven't had
Yeah,
the chance.
yeah, it is. If y'all look in the description,
is
just
it?
click fxlink.com/GPG.
Yeah.
And if you do what course do they got to do if they want to learn DMA now?
They gotta be a gold member. So basically, with being a gold member, they will get live daily sessions, access to all courses, and it's gonna be a lifetime membership. Yeah. They get DMA hack, get the golden eyes, they get GPG hop, they get our backtest music, and bunch of others.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, that's basically about these two. I'm just gonna look and wait for the US30 to give me an opportunity. I didn't take any trade in London, and I kind of fall asleep in New York session too.
I mean, I did sell UCAD off of pendant, so we'll see how it goes. Came close to hitting my stop loss, but right now it's a few pips up. But
all right, cool.
That's about it for today. Just chilling.
Cool. So cryptocurrency is having a hard day. Yeah. Let's actually go there and talk about it. All right, so yesterday, this one also was a trade kind of that was called in our session for the sell, and after price kind of dropped down to here and turned to weak, I thought that it's not actually gonna play out because the way they stopped it out, they kind of stop 100, but they just worked out the zone a little longer than I thought. You can see it here, and it's still working towards it, holding it, trying to make generate liquidity below it. That was the exact word I used yesterday, and still goes on. But I think it's just matter of more of a seconds for this zone to be broken. Looking at 30 minutes. Yeah, it was nice around New York session. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think cryptocurrencies are starting to get to that bearish move. We have a target of 50,000 or 48,000. Definitely, I'm going to get a nice back down there.
We might see altcoins pump though, because if we notice towards like the end of the Bitcoin pumps, and then when that starts to retrace, we might see altcoins pump, but we'll see.
That's true. I'm gonna get rid of these so be more visible. All right, so
but this is a good time, I just want to say, for people who want to get in certain cryptos and stuff like that.
Yeah,
wait, like use these times, let it dump, maybe wait for a reversal, wick off pattern, signature, wedge, whatever you like to look for to signify prices reversing, opposed to what we say catching the knife. If you want to, if you're just trying to get a good price, that's fine, but we're talking about maybe snipe a crypto entry. So these can be times of opportunity. I just want to put that out there because a lot of people see red and dumping and they just say, oh, cryptos are trash, let me stay away from it. But it's just about your perspective and how you're gonna invest. So.
Definitely 100% agree with you, bro, on that. I think the only coins that right now are going up are those with really cool and true project, which actually generating liquidity for the developers.
Hey, I'm in that CRO crypto.com. Let's go.
Oh, you are in CRO? Nice.
Yeah, I got like a band of it, but I got in at 53. I should have gotten in at 30, but once I saw the Lakers change their stadium to crypto.com, I was like, fuck it, let's do it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I heard it on the news.
Yeah, I think it's gonna keep pumping because December, the Christmas is when they reveal the new stadium. But just be wary that that coin has a high market cap already of like a couple billion.
Wow, it's on rank number 13 too. Look at the push.
Yeah, it's gonna be up there top 5 for sure. Top 5, bro, because they're indoctrinating everybody into this. When you go to the Lakers stadium, they're gonna have
let me see if it's on.
They're gonna have zones. They're gonna have zones where they have you download the crypto.com app, and they might be like 25% off merch, like things like that. So it's really gonna
or you can buy the tickets
traders
with this probably.
You can buy all. Yep, it's gonna be used in the stadium, and just retailers that know nothing about crypto, they don't even know that there are different cryptos. They just think that there's crypto, right? There's gold, there's crypto. They're gonna say, let me go buy some crypto. And they're gonna download crypto.com. So this is a retail move I got in.
It's actually very funny because one of my friends, once he started trading the trading business, he kind of Googled Forex and then the forex.com pops up, and then he creates an account with them.
Right.
And then he literally thought the forex thing is at forex.com. So it's an Ethereum. It's not in Binance, unfortunately. Yet.
Yeah, I think the probably the best way to get it is, well, I bought mine on Coinbase, but
Mhm.
you could just get crypto.com and buy it there if you want. They trying to get people to stake their coins on there though. Like they give crazy benefits if you stake. But I know people been doing this. I saw this crypto.com a while ago when I was trying to get a crypto visa. So a lot of people been on this since 2 cents and they're crushing it. But
Mhm.
just the way the market cap is set up, it probably ain't gonna go to 100, you know.
Look at that. It's almost reaching $1.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that. Start of the month, this thing was 30 cents.
I
Weird.
was eyeing it then too, but I was like, this is a gimmick. I know UFC did a contract with them and they've been promoting them, but yeah, they just got a bunch of money. It's their Lakers stadium deal is like 700 million for 20 years. So that makes me feel good about crypto that we're here to stay.
Yeah. That's actually a good catch here, bro. Nicely done.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
All right. So what I actually have is Mana.
Jeez. I was gonna say Mana. I was looking at that at like $1 something.
Yeah, I was looking at it at dollar something too. But by the time I got in, it was like $3 something, $3.15, $3.30, something like that. I got in. Currently going nicely, but I wish I could get more down there when I
We're being
was.
greedy. We're being
Yeah,
greedy. You're
I
doing
know.
good. And it's gonna do good,
No,
bro.
I usually
Get
risk
back.
more, but I just don't like Facebook. So I decided to risk a little less on them. But it's
Are we
okay.
sure that Facebook is using Mana, or is that just a rumor?
No, actually, I think if you want to go and buy stuff on Metaverse, you need Mana.
But how do you know that? I've been hearing that, but I was wondering, like, how do we know that?
I have no
We
idea,
don't.
bro.
Okay. I don't know
Yeah,
either, but I've been hearing that too. I was like, what's up?
yeah.
So I
It
actually
just changed
downloaded
the rank right now. It went from 24 to 23.
hey, I downloaded Mana, like, and I made an avatar and stuff. And it's so buggy, but I know it's early.
Yeah,
But I'm definitely in a metaverse Elwin. I was
way
running
early.
around, I was chilling, you know. It's
Chilling
basically
in
like playing
Metaverse.
Minecraft.
I'm smoking a blunt there, bro.
Hey, wait till we I'm telling y'all, wait till Cash and Coffee is in the metaverse. I'm
Yeah.
drinking virtual coffee, bro.
We're already trying to get virtual cash. So
Yep, I'll take it.
what else? What else is hot in
AVAX been
cryptocurrency
crushed.
today?
Well, AVAX actually retracing.
Oh, AVAX
V.
is so good.
Yeah,
My dog is
we
excited
were
about
told
it
to get
too.
in that a long time ago. Did you get in?
I got in at well, technically I got in at $18 first,
Shit. Mm-hmm.
and then I got another entry at like 49 something around here, and then it just blows up.
You
Really like,
lucky.
yeah. Sorry guys for my dog sound. Getting too excited. Someone said, hi Owen, are you considering VIX as a stop hunt in BTC, or it is a support zone? Let's go there and talk about.
Let's go, UCAT. We can do it. Waiting on UCAT to do what I needed to do. You know how that go.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, y'all. I'm
You
lame.
can.
I'm just happy to be here chilling. Oh yeah, I've been human. Cat pairs have become my new bread and butter
Yeah,
because they respect key levels so crucially.
they do.
Mm-hmm.
So the considering VIX as a stop hunt. What I consider VIX as a stop hunt is something like this. And they usually make me either change my bias or stay away. That's one of the reasons I'm not entering in this trade anymore. because of that week. So it has to be really aggressive. Like, don't change bias on something like this or something like this, or even what is happening right now. Okay. Pay attention to the momentum more than anything else. So if you have the momentum in macro, most of these support and resistance, anything that you can find is going to continue breaking. Okay, over time, not right away. They have to validate those zones and then continue breaking it. So don't consider buying whatever that is in really bearish momentum. Okay, it's just not wise. All right.
Yeah, wait for a sign of rejection, sign of reversal is what I just recommend.
Yeah,
'Cause I feel like we get that question asked a million times, a million different ways. And
true.
either you wait for the rejection to see the momentum, like Human's whole DMA system is built to keep him from buying this, you see?
Yeah.
So not to say that he can't eyeball it and snipe the bottom, which I've seen you do against your DMA, but maybe you're using a WMA. I don't know what you got going on over there, but
Yeah. No, I was
there's no
actually
way to know.
buying, US30 yesterday while everything is bearish, you know. But you just said it so good. Like, DMA is just there to keep me on the momentum. So I've always be in the side that, that push, or what they call it, the force. The force is there. Yeah.
Yep.
To put it in the most simplest way, if I have a momentum, if I have a sell momentum in macro, I'm looking for buyer's trap. And if I have a bullish momentum in macro, I'm looking for seller's trap in micro and trying to find those people in micro getting jammed by market. And then I want to be part of those, big guys at the macro that are, making this happen.
Right. See, mine is 100% the same. The only thing I would add is I wait for price to shift out of the trap. At least it just depends on the time frame, right? But that's
Yes.
what I'm waiting for, is some type of shift out of that. And what does that shift out of the trap do? It give you momentum. So
I
yeah.
actually wait for that too, bro. Because I wait for the 4 hour engulfing. First thing, that's the number one rule for me. It's a 4 hour engulfing. And what 4 hour engulfing means price pushed
Momentum.
for 4 hour to direction, and then in the next 4 hour not only came back to the price that it started 4 hour before that, but also broke it. That means it had enough momentum to work in 8 hours, not like momentum in 1 hour. It was market worked 8 hours to show me that momentum. And once it's there, then I start going to the lower time frame and see, okay, I see a bearish engulfing in 4 hour. DMA says sell. So where are buyers trap?
Right.
This should make sense like perfectly, guys. Check out mastergpg.com/mini trap. Free. Everything is explained there. What I just said here. So this is common sense of it, in my opinion. All right. So yeah. So let's go back here. I kind of did some cryptocurrency yesterday. Went over AVAX, went over SXP, and also we went over Mana. There was another one, VET, which is very close to AVAX. So let's go over a couple more today and introduce you to some other coins. These are the coins that I'm gonna mention in the cash and coffee are not something that you want to go and buy it right away. Okay, they're going up and down, but I'm just gonna give you a little bit of a hint about my portfolio and the coins that I hold. So if you don't have some of those coins, you can go ahead and buy whenever it's time and you think it's good. So one of them being GRT. I think this
Oh
coin
yeah,
has a good potential too.
I definitely sold that one off, but
Uh,
I was thinking about getting back into it. Do you know anything about the project?
I actually
I heard
read it
good things.
once. Yeah, I read it once. It's not like a meme coin or something. It actually has something. Let me bring it
Has
up.
some good utility.
Yeah.
Hamster. Oh, I guess we buying a hamster. Screw it. No, no utility. Let's go buy a hamster. I saw it. $1,000 hamster.
Yeah.
Moon. Nah, I need
Yeah.
moon hamster.
Okay, so
Ooh, this is looking like
let's
good
go
buys.
here. Yeah, the
See, I like
market
to see
cap is
red.
good. Yeah,
I like
market
to see.
cap is good too.
What's the all-time high?
The all-time high should be,
You know how to do it on it's on the side. Oh yeah, you can just do that one. Okay.
yeah, it's $2.50.
So you would already double up this reaching the all-time high, which I always like to see.
Yes, more than double.
Yeah, triple.
Um, yeah, around that. In terms of the charts, I actually don't like the charts that they
Why I
provide
never
here.
knew they had trading view on here. I never
Bro,
took that.
it never works, bro, and it's just
Oh,
so garbage.
okay.
Damn, for real. Like, I wish coin market cap could do something about it.
Hey, I'm
But
feeling you, Cat, because last week I was over 2, so I was like, I'm gonna bounce back this week strong. So
nice,
that's
nice.
good.
Yeah, you know, there's a song
I
for it.
think I'm gonna buy some BNB coins today,
Today.
just
Let
just
me
for
see.
some fun. I don't not the actual BNB, but like some pancake swap.
Oh, pancake swap coin. Oh no, bro, I quit that thing.
You quit? You know, I actually did the
But
same
I
thing
went
with
too crazy
Solana.
too. Go ahead.
Dude, we both went crazy. And that's why my trust wallet got hacked because I was doing the most. But I've been doing it with Solana too. You know about Solana, right?
Yeah.
Like I was telling you, I really like that project. I actually bought like my llama NFT on Soul Art, and I got me a Phantom wallet, which is kind of like a MetaMask, but for the
Mhm.
Solana chain. And I got like 10 different memes. I got like Cato, Soul Doge, just different stuff. But I spent a couple $100 just having some fun. So
Nice. Now I went too much in, and I got into so many stupid coin. I tried to work it like a forex and say, okay, you know what, I have to risk the same amount and I have to get in so many different things, and then although I'm still in profit after all those losing, even so many coin I was gone, one Kishu was enough to bring all those losses back plus more, and I still can play around more with it, but I decided to take my
yeah, I
money
think it's
and
always
win it.
important if you do that, just keep your risk low. Like I never put in more than 100 into one of those coins, but like
Mhm.
I made 1,000 off one, made five. I made good money doing it, but the losses were so small. But yeah, I mean it is pumping up like we talked about. But yeah, I'm just gonna do that today, just for some fun, just for some diversification, buy some lotto tickets. So
Cool, cool.
and I'm just taking the funnest part is like I make money off my Forex. So all I did was take 100 out of my Forex account from me working hard, earning money, and I could go buy stuff I want. I could just it's just beautiful to print your own money and then reinvest it
Yep.
and stuff like that. You
Oh yeah.
last week I bought that stock ACB. It ain't doing good though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
I
might buy some
got
more.
into a couple of stocks too. Let me show you.
Okay.
Actually, before we get into
Yeah.
that stock, let me show you
Can we
something
just
here.
look at UCAD because I'm feeling good about it?
Sure.
All right. Oh, it don't look that good on here. Oh, okay. So I entered at 1.27 at the key level. I just waited for the retracement after it dumped yesterday, and I
Yeah,
just caught it at the high. So that's it.
that was so good. Such a good reaction.
Uh,
Oh man. I'm not in a sell on this, but if I take you to 4 hour, you will see why I did what I did. I kind of I saw the seller's trap here, and then I called the buy from here to the yearly moving average.
mm.
And then once this high was created, I attempt to sell after this bearish engulfing, you know,
Oh, I was looking at that too. I saw that.
thinking that
Yep.
it's gonna go down. And what is happening now, I know what it is. It's just a stop
What?
hunt of that in more macro level, and I think it's gonna happen. So I'm gonna get into that right of that you are in probably tomorrow if it actually
Okay.
plays out nicely.
Okay. If I'm on the side of Cad and Human think I might be right, I like it. I like my chances. But
Cool.
we'll see. I already moved a break even. We went up 20 pips. Like I'm sleeping.
Nice.
I'm good. So whatever happens, happens. So we good.
Nice. So
Okay, we check out them stocks.
yeah, I just want to show this the Zcash here. This is two coin I'm gonna recommend you today. One is this Zcash, which is quite popular, and most of the people know it. You're going to have still around 2 times, but I definitely recommend you to. Well, actually, it doesn't retrace that much, but you know, have it in your watch list. The other one is Zen USDT. This one is also pretty nice, and it's at the good prices right now. It does look good in my opinion. This is actually the coin that I was mining, bro, back in 2017, 18.
Yeah.
Let me see. Yeah.
We're
So
like on a computer. Yeah, computers
yeah, yeah.
mining it.
Yeah, we had a farm, bro. We had a farm. Right now, we closed it down due to expenses and everything. But this coin, this is where we got in to this coin. Actually, far before that. That's 2020. Well, we don't have it more charts, more data here. But we got basically in this coin, we mined it and then had such a long time of drawdown in it because we got into the mining after hitting that all-time highs, and then we were mining it and the value was keep dropping by the
You were
time
making money mining it or making coins mining it?
I was making coins and I wasn't making any money by the time.
Because the
So
value kept going down as you earned them.
exactly, and I got into like very high. That's when like we clicked and like, oh, let's mine, and the market was like laughing at us. But um, we generated basically coins at $3, $4. Like when it was $3, $4, we were getting 3 to 4 coins a day. And right now the coin is sitting at like 160 something, and it went up to 180. And this has a really nice project as well. So I think it would be um good project, guys, if you wanna consider it. All right, let's get to the Yahoo. All right, I'm still struggling a little bit to find stocks, bro. Well, the good ones.
What are you're looking for stocks to get into?
I got into some, but I'm looking for something like this for stocks, but I'm failing to find it.
Yeah, I
But
haven't found. I don't know a site like that. I really just look up the New York Stock Exchange and
what's the
literally
website?
just let me
And
see
why
here.
I think
Oh, here it go. It popped up for me. NY. Oh,
okay, I
I
think I
think I
found
use centralcharts.com.
Oh,
Yeah, that's the site I use.
central charts.com. All right. Okay. So where should I go?
All right, so
Screeners, probably.
here can I just send you the link? That would be
Sure,
easier
sure.
because I had it saved under my favorites. I don't know how I got there. Okay, you got it.
Yeah, just give me a second.
Okay. Well,
I'm gonna bring it down here. Good. All right. So what are we looking at? Tell me how this works.
so basically, these are all the stocks, bro, in alphabetical order. We're on K right now because this was like page 49. But yeah, that's what I did, bro. Like I literally went through all these. You can sort by price and stuff. So sometimes like I'll sort like um cheaper ones. I think you can.
Mhm.
So I basically literally just went down every single one. I don't know a better way.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a way to run away from it for me. I gotta find more
But it's
easier
so
way.
fun because like you know how you get stock tips and people tell you about stocks and you check it out. Literally, you can make your own stock tips with the knowledge we know. If you spend 4 days just going down every one, you're gonna be like, holy shit, this is undervalued. They trap sellers, and then you'll find you a good list. Like that's how I found so many amazing stocks. It just takes forever, but I mean, we don't need stock tips. We can find structure, find our own, and then do some fundamental analysis on top.
Yep.
Yeah.
But I'm not really sure how to do the fundamental
So
analysis, to be
basically
honest.
you would just Google them, see what the quarterly reports are coming out, what people are saying, sentiment. I mean, almost how we do coins. Just do your due diligence what you can. If you hear like, oh, there's CEOs, like one of these stocks I had, LFG, I had to pull out of because the CEO dude was stealing money. You know, like you start hearing shit
Oh,
like that. And so you just got to do a little Google News on top of your technicals to, give you some more confluence with
I see.
stocks. Hmm.
I see. So I gotta get into learning that.
Yeah. I mean, you don't got to. You got enough investment instruments to be a billionaire, bro. But yeah, if you want to get in a
Yes.
stock game, for sure. And you
I
can
actually
always look
don't
up
want.
stocks with dividends too, like if you're looking for that and look through those. You know
Yeah.
about dividends?
Yeah, yeah. The monthly payment out of the earnings.
Yeah, or
Yeah.
annual, but yeah,
Or
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 quarterly. But
quarterly, yeah.
yeah, but either way, you getting money back. Like Warren Buffett get millions a year just for holding Apple, but he got like a billion, so he got billions of it. So it ain't like it's not a huge amount, but it's basically free money. Some people
I see.
they got enough invested they can live off dividends.
Wow, that's true.
Yeah.
One thing that coming to my mind, guys, this is GBP JPY. Um, I talk about it with my students at London session. This analysis was shared in my channel too for the buy last week, which we actually got stopped out on it. But the more it goes on, the more I think it's about to push it up and trap all those sellers down here. We have two different type of sellers trap, in my opinion here. Number one, those down here weeks ago, where they tried to get into this trend continuation, I should say, and then they're still in the trade. Some of people who bought there got to stop out here, and those who bought here also got to stopped out. So market pretty much cleared a lot of traders out of this trade. And for the last 2 days, any attempt to buy, you were going to see 50, 60, 70 pips of stop hunt in one damn candle. And I'm kind of proud that I didn't get too many times into this, only once, because I know like me a couple of years ago would keep buying this until I say, you know what, I'm done buying this, and then I don't buy it, and then it goes. Typical trader. But now I know that I have to be patient. I do see bullish engulfing here and here. I also one here that broke above DMA. We drop it in lower time frame. You see, first thing in 1 hour, we have a cross to the upside from yesterday. And also we have a kind of a nice consolidation breakout, W formation getting ready, and another bullish engulfing up there too. Looking at 30 minutes, it's bullish. Looking at 15 minutes, candles are above DMA, and we do see multiple bullish engulfing as well. So this, in my opinion, is about to explode to the upside, and 15, 20 pips of stop loss is pretty enough in my opinion. Now, in terms of target, depends on what type of trader you are. First target would be about 87, 85 pips. Actually, you can take it at 60 pips too, around here. But ultimately, in my opinion, if it starts to go in the direction that I think, then it's gonna be a swing, because it is hitting those, you know, going back to 4 hour, it is a macro induction in my opinion. If we are right, then you can expect this zone up here to be your liquidity zone, and price going there for about 400 pips. You know, I don't usually hold that long because it takes such a long time to go there. But usually they're gonna be a middle take profit for me that it's good, usually around middle of a trade that I call, and I would be fine with it. And looks like we're gonna have a news as well. So make sure that you manage your risk, be careful, and don't do something that you're gonna regret. We don't know which trade is gonna be the one, but we know that we have an edge. Okay. Sorry, bro. I came back to Forex. um, yeah,
Always comes back to Forex.
I know. So the stocks that I got, one of them was Hive. I'm not sure if you know about it.
Nah, but you was telling me about it. You mentioned it.
Yeah, it's a blockchain something. It actually dropped today. From like $4 something to $3. I also got mRNA.
Ooh, Moderna.
Yeah, that one also dropped. And by the if it closes below 272, it probably, I was a bit early to it. But it's okay.
So never mind. Let me not say that. YouTube might flag us. Never mind.
Oh.
Moderna, great stock. Invest.
I think that's the one of the things I was really hate to invest to, but you gotta
Hey,
make the money.
gotta make the money.
Can't fight the grid down there.
We gotta be Robin Hood.
Yeah. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I don't know how long we are in the live actually. I kind of lost the
That's
count.
good. It's been an hour, so we've been
Yeah.
trying to keep them at an hour. So
Nice. So let me check
hey, if they want to hear Human's
chat.
sexy voice, book you a one-on-one.
There are too many tickets for stocks. I think 10,000 plus. Yeah, Mike, I know. That's why I hate it. You can
Hey,
use Finviz. All right, we got some people
but
helping us.
I'm gonna just
Nice.
say 10,000 opportunities. Hey,
Yeah, that's true.
it will drive you crazy though. Oh, what we got here? Ooh, Fenzviz. Kind of
All
looks
right.
like a Coin 360 on the right.
Yeah.
I like it.
It is actually pretty much like that. Oh, that
Come
is
on, you cat. Why are
cool.
you going back?
That
Tesla
is
all red.
cool.
Nvidia, we missed the ball on that.
All right, Mike, thank you so much, bro. You literally
Ooh.
gave me what exactly I wanted. I truly appreciate it. And that's a fun thing about live session. I knew it's gonna happen, that I'm gonna learn a lot too. Uh,
What's Starbucks at?
right around the corner.
Nice. Funny, funny.
I don't even know what's the symbol of a Starbucks, but I'm down for a double mocha shot. All right, I need time a little bit to go over this, but looks like we should be having more. More of it is red, in my opinion. Looks like it.
Hell yeah, the stock market is down.
Oh, these are actually like dark red, like how it's dark green on other. Okay, I'm getting it.
So the darker the red, if it's darker, it's less volatile. If it's super red, it's more. Because like look at Tesla, 3.4, that bitch is red. But Apple only 0.15 down. It's like neutral color. Okay, that's cool.
All right,
And it's super green, mean it's going up. So
bro.
not
The
many going up.
the
There's like
percentages are not even close to crypto. I understand now why crypto is blowing up. Damn, that's
yeah.
boring.
That's why a lot of people who I taught stuff, they're like, screw stocks. They're like, or I got them to invest in stock. And they're already like, I want to pull my stock money out and put it in crypto. This is too slow. I'm sitting here for 3 years. Like it's not
Yeah.
doing shit.
Okay. All right, give me a little time, guys, and I promise you I can do better on stocks.
I like this way better than my way.
Yeah.
Yeah, instead of looking at a zillion things, this is much better.
Yeah.
And I have a bunch of metrics how they break it down.
I'll send you the link after this session. So someone asked, checking EJ as well as seeing if GU I have the same bias. Let me go ahead and check the GU for you. All right, so GBP USD. No, actually, I do not have much of a bullish bias on this. And I think they were actually forming a support. I went through this in well, yesterday. I didn't have any session today. But in my opinion, they're working a support here, generating liquidity, consolidation above it, and now going to the down for the liquidity of people. I didn't even have a setup to enter, but my bias was sell. And in terms of Euro JPY, to be honest with you, I have a rule called family limiting where my averages in macro getting very close to each other. That's a sign for me to stay the hell away from the pair. Then what I do is I try to find a range that price created towards getting there to the yearly moving average. Now this either it's here or here, one of these two. So then I would wait for the price to do whatever they want here. And usually it's a painful time. It's like 30 days, 20 days of consolidation. Then break out of that consolidation is very important for me because that's usually the direction that I will not take. It's either this or it's either going to be this, right? It's obvious, but we wait for the daily, sorry, we wait
structure.
for the structure to show it to us, show itself to us, if that makes sense. So no, my analysis is only about GBP JPY, guys, nothing else. and looks good. Yay. And we got a news in about couple minutes too. Let me go Forex Factory. All right, we got a high impact USD actually, so I have probably nothing to do with GJ, but hopefully gonna move it. What do you think about news? You got US dollar CAD running.
Go to DXY. Yeah, my cat's not looking so good, but I'm still in right now.
I actually don't like the 15 minutes at all.
I know. Can you pull up the index real quick?
Sure.
Let's see what it's doing. Sorry, my headphones died.
No worries. It looks pretty damn bullish. Yeah.
I don't know, because yeah. You think it's gonna hit the DMAs?
Possible. But since there is a news, we might just see a wick to the DMA and then just
go up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks like we're not going to even see that wick.
All right. About to try and hit on sneakers apps on some dunks real quick.
Oh. Looks like we're gonna have in a Zoom after this stream too.
All right. Let's get these dunks. Come on, let's hit today on sneakers app.
Come on, DXY, pay Elvin.
Let's make it say, got him. Y'all know what to say, got him.
Congrats, bro.
Let's go. No, we didn't get him yet. We gotta wait.
Oh.
We're in the draw.
Let's go JPY and take a look at it.
Okay, UCAT, we're doing okay. We're doing okay. Maybe this news was just inducing to fuck with me. Hey, GJ looking good.
Yeah, just getting a little too much into consolidation.
Yeah,
I do like macro.
I would need to see the push and then get the pullback for me.
Yeah, but the higher I go in time frame, the more tasty it looks, to be honest.
Can you show me?
Just like you can see in 1 hour, cross to the upside, candles attempting to break but coming right back up, giving me bullish engulfing that I want.
Right.
Looking at 4 hour, I do see the trap, and then I do see multiple bullish engulfings anytime it hit, well, it come close to that trap area. And lastly, the bullish engulfing that closed above DMA. This was what I was waiting for all the way from London, to see GJ coming back down, respecting the DMA, but they broke it. So I thought that probably I'm wrong, but now I'm coming back to New York seeing, oh, 4 hours after that price is back above DMA, then I feel like I'm good on it. And look at that.
Did you get in?
Yep.
Oh man.
Couldn't leave it alone.
Oh, we're gonna see called it live shooting up in 1 second.
First call in live, cash and coffee. Let's go. But actually, I did call US30 yesterday, but didn't play out as expected. All right, I hope you guys are in. If you guys got into this, say something in the chat.
Hey, and if you happen to get in the UCAD somehow, we're going good, y'all.
Stocks right around the corner. The money in stock is not in stock, it's in calls and puts. Yeah, I heard about that too. It's option trading, I think. No,
yeah, that's what Shane does. I know people that do it, they killing it. They basically leveraging.
Yeah, and that's how they make them like millions on the stock market overnight and stuff.
Oh, Apple go up 3 points and they didn't killed it because they got their system.
Someone have a bearish bias on US dollar Canadian. Pablo, Alvin does it too. And let's take a look at that again. Yeah, UK looking good.
So far, so good.
Nice, nice, nice.
Yeah. I've been
You
so
see,
selective lately. It's really helping.
I really do like this is stop on followed by a bearish engulfing, bro.
What made me like it was just like, I'll show you what I saw. Go on the 4 hour. Yep. You see that big purple candle yesterday? And after I saw that, I just looked for where I'm going to get in. And my
Look at that
thought
bearish
is,
engulfing.
yeah. And even a lot of times, even if they just manipulate the low or fill the wick and come back, that's 40 pips. So that's why I like this setup personally, because even when I do get trapped, I'm able to extract some money.
Right.
A lot of times.
So you see, I think thinking of this as a support resistance in daily, you can definitely see yesterday's move to the upside and coming back, throw a nice ass wick up there. Don't have your sound actually, bro. Do I? No. But anyway, yeah, I do like the cells on your cat setup, to be honest. GJ also running. I should probably add something to the cash and coffee. 2 is very low for me right now. I'm gonna add GJ and USD cat for today at least. And let's take a look. All right, looks like we lost Elvin in the session.
I'm still here.
Oh, you're here? Okay, I got it. For a second,
Sorry.
I thought you're gone.
I'm still here.
All right. So yeah, I waited for the news too, but if you have anything else to add, let's add it and talk about it. If not, we can call it a day. I'm just gonna hold my GJ and see what's gonna happen.
Same here for you, Cat. I think it's time to get some real coffee. So
Yep.
maybe we can get a Starbucks sponsorship or something. Cash and Coffee is sponsored by Starbucks. That's all.
Yeah. Yeah, we
So
have a
y'all know
potential.
something.
We have a potential sponsor, but I'm not sure if we are gonna work with them. We'll see.
Okay. So if y'all know a coffee company or somebody that want to work with us, connect that, because y'all are followers, y'all are audience, our friends, and y'all got all the plugs. Shoot, look at that site. Mike just put me and Human on. So let's win as a team, guys.
Someone asked about Nzd Usd Fomc today. Really?
Is it? Damn. I don't see it. Oh, yeah. No, oops.
Oops. FOMC today. God damn. It's 2 p.m. and it's red folder. All right. God help us. All right. Yeah, I'm just gonna say I don't think FOMC gonna have much effect on GJ. I'm not sure. Even if it does, it usually completes the structure. So if I'm right, it's gonna be in my favor, and hopefully I am. Nzd USD is just very bearish for me. I have no confirmation on it. AUD USD, on the other hand, is a setup that I do have, but no entry. So kind of nothing there. You got going better than the UJ, to be honest. All right, guys. So that is pretty much it. I really gotta go. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks, Alvin, for showing up. And we're gonna look at that kitty.
Now it says bye. Happy trading.
Yeah, same to you, bro.
Coffee and cash and coffee.
Yeah, thanks for tuning in. Make sure to share this cash and coffee with your friend. Let's grow the family together. And we'll see you tomorrow with a bit more cash and some sip of coffee.